বাংলাদেশের একটি বেসরকারি ব্যাংক মধুমতি ব্যাংক লিমিটেড। এই ব্যাংকের বর্তমানে যে নিয়োগ বিজ্ঞপ্তি আছে সেটি আমরা দেখে নিই। পদটি অনেক আকর্ষণীয় একটি পদ, সেটি হচ্ছে ম্যানেজমেন্ট ট্রেনি যে প্রোগ্রাম আছে, অর্থাৎ ম্যানেজমেন্ট ট্রেনি অফিসার, সেই এমটি প্রোগ্রামের জন্য তারা নিয়োগ বিজ্ঞপ্তি দিয়েছে। এখানে ডিটেল ইনফরমেশন দেওয়া আছে। What qualifications you have to meet: education, MBM, MBA, masters in any discipline from any recognized or private or public or foreign university, at least 3 first class divisions or equivalent CGPA in entire academic record, minimum 5B in O level and 2B in A level in case of English medium students. Age not exceeding 30 years as on last date of application. So the last date is 7th December 2020. So this is the last date. So age should be maximum 30 years by 7th December 2020. Behavioral competencies: positive attitude and desire to learn, effective communication skills, strong knowledge on computer. What we offer: 2 years of training period, monthly consolidated salary of BDT 45,000. It's very handsome salary. On successful completion of training period, MTs will be directly absorbed as executive officer under regular pay scale with monthly gross salary of BDT 62,000 and other benefits as per bank's policy. Your commitment should be at least 3 years that you will serve at the bank, willing to work anywhere in Bangladesh. Application procedure: career.modhumotibank.net. I will give the website link on the description box below, that you can click on the link and then you can apply easily by 7th December 2020. Incomplete application will not be considered. Only shortlisted candidates shall appear before written test and a subsequent interview before final selection, so that all the applicants might not be called for the interview or the written or MCQ examination. Only shortlisted candidates will be called there. So if you are willing to get the challenge to join the Modhumoti Bank Limited, you should get ready to apply by 7th December 2020. সবাই ভালো এবং সুস্থ থাকবেন সেই কামনায় আজকের মতো বিদায় নিচ্ছি।